Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically enable visual notifications on your iPhone. Select the accessibility tab and you're going to go to the audio/visual here. Scroll down and go to visual and select LED flash for alerts. Then you're just going to enable it. You can also enable it while unlocked and enable it in silent mode. So whenever someone notifies you and you don't have like great hearing, you can enable that. I'm not 100% sure how efficient it is, but I feel like it would be somewhat helpful, so just enable it. I'm not going to though, because I can have just like my notifications on. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.